Cleanrooms Australia successfully delivered the Troy project, a complex integration of a standalone 10-room Class B manufacturing cleanroom suite. Adjacent to an existing operational Class B facility, vital aspects of the project included the construction of a new mezzanine, meeting up with existing mezzanines at multiple different heights within the existing structure to support the new cleanroom and all the associated services, along with the on-site assembly of specialised air handling units. As part of the project, we implemented advanced humidity control systems, addressing both the new and the underperforming existing facility requirements. This involved a comprehensive redesign of their air handling system, ensuring seamless integration while maintaining the cleanroom's strict environmental standards. An integrated emergency high-temperature exhaust system to enhance operational safety within the facility. The project required careful planning and execution to ensure that the ongoing operations were not disturbed. Material deliveries and installations were carefully scheduled to minimise the impact on daily operations. Removable equipment access ways so that large equipment can be moved, installed and removed throughout the facility without disrupting the existing operation. Safety remained a priority throughout the project. We always enforced strict segregation of work areas from the active warehouse spaces. The Troy project highlights Cleanrooms Australia's capability to deliver complex, high-stakes projects while maintaining operational continuity and safety standards.